Hey there, planner friends. This is Amy. I'm so happy to have you guys back here. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my week for January 25th, and I'm going to be doing a winter mood themed spread. So super excited to be busting out the winter sticker book once again, and I'm going to be using all sorts of beautiful blues and teals and these really pretty blue metallic snowflake stickers. So if you're new to my channel, this is Beloved Plans, and this is a channel for anyone who is looking to get more organized in their finances, productivity, business, and day-to-day life. So let's get started. So I once again decided to use the sticker guides to just kind of lay down some stickers and gather them, pull them, so I could kind of see where my mind is going with my theme. So this winter book, this is the old one, I believe, from 2019, but I love so many of the colors in here. And it's not just a Christmas book, although it has a lot of Christmas stickers in it. It also has a lot of winter stickers. So we're going to Arizona the week prior, so it's really funny because I'm coming back to snow and winter and all those things. So this spread is kind of perfect timing for that. So I have an idea of how I'm going to use these snowflake stickers. I'm excited to show you guys. I'm also going to try to use a few stickers from this All the Plans sticker book. I love the colors in it. They're really bold and beautiful. I just really haven't had a chance to use it yet. This is one of the new sticker books that came out in the release. I will link to both of these sticker books in the description below. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is start with these metallic snowflakes. I am so in love with these. I love the color. I love snowflakes in the wintertime. I use snowflakes in tons of my Christmas decorations. So when I saw these in the sticker book, I knew that they would be perfect on a spread. So I'm going to start by trimming down some of them just to get some straight edges. I'm not going to have them overlap. I kind of want them to look like they're peeking out. So I'm just going to kind of randomly put them down in different spots and trim them as needed. And I'm going to have a good variety of like big ones and small ones. And just slowly adding those on there. The nice thing is when you trim them down, when you have one side, even if it's a smaller piece, you can still use that or save it. I'll often put it on my sticker sheet if I'm not going to use it. And it just adds a nice little edge peeking out. So I'm going to take these little ones and just kind of disperse them throughout, really fill in those gaps. There's circles and then there's like little tiny snowflakes too. I'm so excited to see how this spread turns out because I absolutely love these colors and the metallic especially. So I'm just going to put down a few more to just really fill that in, any empty spaces. I want it to feel like a blizzard on there, so I don't want a ton of empty space at all in that top section. All right, so now I'm going to start laying down some of these other stickers I've pulled. I really liked using the sticker sheets for this one because I could make sure all my colors coordinated. Like if I went through colorful boxes or other stickers, I could make sure they matched really nicely because it is kind of a different shade of blue. I'm going to use these to do strips in a couple different spots. And then this little border of snowflakes down at the bottom. I'm going to trim this rectangle because I don't want to take up a full box. I like to do layering with those ones that are just patterns. Put the let's go. We're doing a sledding event on Saturday, so that will be really fun. And then I'm going to layer down the other half of that pattern sticker. I just need to straighten that out a little bit. I hate when I lay them down and they're not straight. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the future videos. And see if I can't find one more box that kind of matches, but I don't want it to say today. I'm just going to pull out a couple extra stickers here that I think I might end up using. I'm going to trim down this polka dotted box. It also has some silver foiling on it, so I'm going to use that as like a little layering background. And that'll add a little bit more visual interest to the spread too. So this All in a Season Mega Value sticker book has a ton of really cute winter stickers that actually go pretty well with these from the winter sticker book too. So I'm going to pull a few out of there. And I'm going to use this long strip for the week, and then I'm going to cover that Today sticker and put this Remember sticker over it. When I do these little clusters, I really like to do odd numbers, so like things in threes. And that one's a little too long, so I'm going to trim that down a little bit. Don't be afraid to cut your stickers to make them work for you. I'm going to take this little snowman and put him over there on Monday and see how those snowflakes just match really nicely with everything. I'm going to layer some more of those boxes over there. And again, see there I have 5 things, so that odd number looks more visually pleasing than an even number. And sometimes I'll pull them off and decide I'm not going to use them and just put them back in the sticker book. So here is another little type of box sticker, a little flag, and that's perfect. It matches really nicely the color scheme I'm doing. I add this Winter Fun banner sticker down at the bottom. I feel like I'm just needing a couple more things over on the left side here. I'm going to add a couple more of these snowflakes. So I'm going to trim them down so that I can kind of make them pop out between or from behind the different boxes. And then that'll tie in the metallic parts too from above. So I'm just going to keep putting in some of these smaller metallic snowflake things just to add some more detail and fun and flair to the spread. Put this little dot, I think right in that corner. All right, I think I need one more section of to-do list for Saturday. So I'm going to use these colored dots and just do them each in a different color, kind of get an ombre effect, and put them there. And then we are all finished. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe if you would like to catch my other videos. I will also link over to the right side my previous plan with me, so you can check that out right now, and I'll see you over there.